Hello everyone, my name is Faye's Whims and welcome to my channel. This is my first haul video. I got a bunch of crafty things from AliExpress. Honestly, I don't remember what most of it is because that was a while ago, so this will be a fun surprise for the both of us. The first thing I opened were these little plastic containers, little crates. I got two of them. This purple one and this green one. They're fairly small, but they work perfect for what I need them for. I'll probably use them to hold jewelry supplies, maybe stickers, beads, things like that. The colors aren't totally accurate on camera. They're a little bit more warm toned in person, but still very cute. I also got these stickers. Very cool. I'll take them out so you can see them a little bit better. I don't do any scrapbooking, but honestly I might start because there are a lot of cute scrapbooking things online. And here's these. They have a nice gold outline. Very pretty. Third one is stuck. There we go. So yeah, very cute. Not sure what I'll use these for, but I will figure something out. You can see the gold a little bit better. Yeah. So it's that. Okay, I got lots of scrapbooking things here. Here's one of them. I'm not quite sure what these are meant for, honestly, but I love mushrooms. So I figure I could either use these as freebies with my jewelry orders, or maybe use them to decorate the packaging, something like that. So, sort of looks like a notepad. There's lots of these little, not really post-it notes. I guess you could write on them, but I figured they're more for decor. And there's just cool mushroom illustrations on these. There's quite a number of them. Pretty good quality, I would say. Looks good. Paper's fairly thick. Go ahead and put it in my new little crate here. These three are all just different colorways of the same thing. More mushroom things, and then some astrology, and then constellation space themed. Pretty small, but again, cute. Nice quality, good illustrations. Okay, so this isn't just mushrooms, it's botanical themed. So flowers, plants. Yeah, not bad. Space themed one next. Very cool. I like how all the pages are dark. That looks nice. Sort of create an interesting contrast. There's that one. And then the astrology one. And they had many different options for this, but these three were the most interesting to me. Astrology. I'm not sure why this is, or how it's astrology based, to be honest. I mean, there's some constellation based things, I guess, but nothing specifically astrology, really. That's okay. Still very cool. So there's those. Also, if the video seems a bit off, either with the audio or how I'm filming, I am brand new to this. This is the second thing I've ever filmed. And thank you to anyone who is watching this video and anyone who watches it till the end. I really appreciate it. This is good for an earlier thing I showed you. Got some tweezers. Could probably be used for a variety of things, but I think these are specifically for stickers. Well, actually, I guess it doesn't matter. It says different things here on the side. But I got them for the stickers that I got. These ones right here. So, should work out nicely. Looks pretty good. Nice and sharp at the tip. I've never used tweezers for stickers. I've honestly not used stickers for a whole lot besides giving them away as freebies, but since I want to try and get into scrapbooking, I thought I should get some of these because I've seen people use them and it looks like it's a lot easier to apply stickers with tweezers, so yeah, this works out well. That's what it looks like. A nice lavender lilac color. As you can tell, I really like that color. They have tons of options for box cutters like these online. I like this one because it had a little hanger and it also locks. Oh. So you can either have it spring back like that, or I believe if you push the entire, let's see, if you push this up, then it keeps it out. So that's nice, has a little safety feature. Oh, wait a minute. It's sort of funny, I don't know if you guys can tell. It doesn't really look like a blade, it looks like hard plastic. Interesting. Maybe it said that in the listing, but I did not notice that. Well, let's see if it works. Oh, that cuts very nicely. Oh, so these are toggle clasps. There's that. But yeah, this came in a pack of 5. So can't wait to make some nice jewelry with that. I don't typically make bracelets or necklaces, but I have a good amount of toggle clasps now, so I will give that a shot. Well, I say that, I did make this bracelet, but yeah. So if anyone is squeamish around eyes, I would look away. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They gave me 10. Brown, green, blue, and grayish blue. So I'm going to show them. There's the brown and green ones. And then the gray and blue ones. So yeah, pretty nice quality. They're very cool in my opinion. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but I'm very excited to make jewelry with these. And it's a random assortment of which colors they gave you, is what the listing said. But I'm happy with the amount that they gave me in each color, so this will work out great. Okay, I'm done showing the eyes for anyone that's squeamish around eyes. I actually might have gotten another eye charm thing, but I will let you know. I just put them all back into the baggie that they got in, and then the bottom fell out, so they all just fell on the floor. Well, I'll deal with that later. So I got some of these iridescent foily looking charms. They sort of remind me of like butterfly wings or dragonfly wings, fairy wings, you know. But yeah, that is so pretty. It flashes like a green purple and it has like a gold foil border. It comes with 5 of them. I might make earrings with these. I think that would be really pretty. Maybe a necklace with these dangling off of them. Okay. I can't even begin to know what this is. Oh. This was sort of a on the whim purchase. I honestly can't remember. Oh, so it's this pen, but it's not actually a pen. It has a blade. Can I focus? No, I cannot. It has a blade. You could sort of see it there, and it's supposed to help you cut more precise around maybe something that you're using for scrapbooking or a sticker or something like that. And since I want to try to get more into things like that, I thought I would give it a shot. This is definitely a blade. Very sharp. So yeah, I thought it was cool. It was like in pen format. Hopefully a little bit easier to do precise cuts with, because it's a little bit more controlled, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, more eyes. But yeah, there's that. And they're all the same. I think it's a pack of 10? Wait, 5. 1, 2, 3. A pack of 5. All fairly large. I'll probably make necklaces with these ones. But yeah. Also very cool. Again, good for more abstract jewelry that I want to try and get into. More jewelry supplies, it feels like. Just fangs. Figure out what I can do with that. I have a lot of red beads, so maybe if I can pair it with these fangs, it could look like, you know, if I made it into a necklace, it could look like you got bit by a vampire or something. That could be fun. I just got a little notepad because I like to write notes for anyone that orders something from me. Make it a little more personable. And I didn't have any fun note paper. And this seller had a lot of different options. I thought this one was really cute. Just a sparkly rainbow in the sky. Quite a number of pages. Very nice paper. So yeah, I can finally write some cute notes for people. A little bit of ASMR. But yeah, here they are. This nice purple color once again. And they're not all creased like this. I think this is just because it was the top one, but yeah, they're perfect size for me, for all my jewelry. Perfect for the stickers, the little notes, and I highly recommend them, at least for jewelry. Okay, so opening this up, and it's exactly how I thought it would be, which is great. Here it is. It comes in these little compartments, which is the perfect size for me and all of the stickers I got. I have quite a lot of stickers. I like to have a bit of variety for the orders that I ship out. And again, the color doesn't quite show as well on here, but it is this nice sort of sagey green color. Very close to this crate I got earlier. But yeah, this will be nice. Well guys, that is everything in my AliExpress haul. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you if you've gotten this far. I really do appreciate it, being a new YouTuber, and I can't wait to keep making more videos and improving. Bye.